To get discounts on Expedia, start by creating an account on their website. This will give you access to exclusive member pricing and allow you to earn points that can be redeemed for discounts on future bookings. When searching for flights or hotels, make sure to compare prices across different dates and destinations to find the best deals. Expedia often offers discounts for bundle bookings, so consider booking your flight and hotel together to save even more. Another way to get discounts is to use Expedia's best price guarantee. If you find a lower price for the same booking on another website, Expedia will match that price and give you a refund for the difference. You can also use coupon codes to get discounts on Expedia. These codes can be found on the Expedia website, or by signing up for their email newsletter. In addition, Expedia offers a rewards program called Expedia Plus, which allows you to earn points for every dollar you spend on the site. These points can be redeemed for discounts on future bookings, or for other perks like free hotel stays or flight upgrades. To maximize your savings, be flexible with your travel dates and consider booking during off-peak seasons. You can also use Expedia's price match guarantee to ensure you're getting the best price for your booking. By following these steps and taking advantage of Expedia's discounts and rewards programs, you can save money on your next trip and make the most of your travel budget. Remember to always read the terms and conditions of any discount or promotion to ensure you understand the requirements and any restrictions that may apply. By being a savvy traveler and using these tips, you can get the best deals on Expedia and have a more affordable and enjoyable trip.